So here's an example of what 28 milligrams of plant-based iron would look like in a day. So let's say you had for breakfast spirulina smoothie bowls like we covered off on earlier. That spirulina smoothie bowl has 8 milligrams of iron. And then let's say for lunch, you did a tempeh and black bean bowl with sauteed kale and 1.5 tablespoons of hemp seeds. That would yield about 7 milligrams of plant-based iron. And then let's say you wanted to fit in a snack. Say you made your own trail mix, which you included 2 tablespoons each of cashews, pumpkin seeds, goji berries, and 100% cacao. That would give you about 6 milligrams of iron. And then with dinner, let's say you did the red lentil curry with some naan bread, consuming a little over a cup or so of red lentil curry. That would give you about 7 milligrams of plant-based iron. If you tally all of that up, that totals about 28 milligrams of plant-based iron. Now, this amount will cover almost the full recommendations for adult women on a plant-based diet, and it would be about double what men on a plant-based diet would need.
Dang!
This is just an example again for one day, but this shows you how easy it can be for you to get the necessary amounts of iron in a plant-based diet as long as you plan things out properly, you have the right strategy, you have the right foods accessible, and you maintain the discipline in putting those foods together to get the amounts that you need. Now, if you do eat a vegan or a plant-based diet, chances are your body is not absorbing the iron that you're consuming at its optimum rate.
What? Oh no!
If you want to see our full masterclass on this topic where we share 10 plant-based foods that are high in iron, as well as 7 things you can do to help your body better absorb iron from plant-based sources, then click on this video here in the top right and we'll see you over there.